Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by connecting your mic and opening Garageband on iPhone. Make sure iOS recognizes the input. Once done, pick the voice or audio recorder template so tracks are optimized. You should enable input monitoring to hear yourself and turn on the metronome if you need timing guidance. Also check sample rate and project tempo so recording matches other tracks. These first steps ensure the app captures a clean signal and prevent surprises before you hit record. Now set gain and monitoring. You want peaks near -6 to -3 dB to avoid clipping while preserving headroom. Arm the track and test a few lines. Use the punch-in feature for precise fixes rather than full retakes. When ready, tap record and speak or sing with consistent distance to the mic. Leave a 1 to 2 second lead-in so edits are clean. Make 1 to 2 complete takes, and review waveform shapes to confirm consistent dynamics before moving to comping. Finish by trimming start/end and creating a preferred take with comping. Apply light EQ to remove muddiness and a gentle compressor to even levels. Normalize or use a limiter if peaks sneak through. When satisfied, use Share Right Arrow Song Right Arrow Export to Files or another app at your chosen quality. If you notice distortion or clipping, immediately lower input gain, add a limiter, or re-record with the mic further from your mouth. This fixes most issues without degrading tone.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.